What's up, golf fans? It's your instructor, Gerard Dyson, and I'm going to give you one of the best indoor golf lessons you can learn to help you lower your score during the off season. And I forgot to mention, it's the year-end special! Welcome back, everyone, and welcome to the year-end special. Now, today I want to show you one of the best indoor golf drills that you can do. This lesson was shown to me by two-time PGA Instructor of the Year, Martin Hall. So before we get started, let's go ahead and assemble our lesson item. So the first thing we're going to need is some rubber bands, a laser pointer, two laser pointers, and some tape. And finally, you need a driver shaft that's broken or any item that's similar that you can add two lasers to. Step 1. Remove the chain from the laser pointer. Step 2. Use the rubber band to secure the laser to the shaft. Using multiple rubber bands makes it a little bit easier. Repeat the step on the handle. You'll see that using the rubber bands is going to allow us to keep the laser beam on during this exercise. Step 3, use the tape to secure the laser around the handle and the point of the shaft. Now that you have your item assembled, I'm going to show you the importance of this indoor drill. Set up as if you're in your regular golf swing. You can even put a golf ball down on the ground so that you can have the laser pointing directly at the golf ball. Now you'll notice, as you can see, as I come back with my backswing, I want to make sure that the laser is staying on line with the target. You also notice once I get back through my backswing, that the laser should be pointing directly at the ball as well. That lets me know that I'm in a good stance. Now you'll realize that you can't shift your waist this way and think that the laser is going to stay in the right place. You're staying in the same location. Also, you'll see when you're coming down through your backswing, watch the laser as it comes down, 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 on line, and then through the target. Let's do that again. So I'm going to set up in your swing. You're going to set up in your swing. You're going to come back. Stay on line, stay on line, stay on line, stay on line, and now you can see the laser hitting the ball. Come back down through. Boom, that's a perfect swing. Now if you keep trying this drill over the off season, I can guarantee you, just like Martin Hall said, you will lower your score when it's time to get back on the course this summer.